Bem-vindo ao meu canal, meu nome é Débora Santos. Hoje o nosso vídeo é vídeo de inspirações com latas. Espero que vocês gostem do vídeo. Vamos nos inspirar?
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. running wild. The best we ever had, and we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top. Running wild, we're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running
find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Espero que vocês tenham gostado do vídeo, espero que estejam inspirados. Aqui no canal tem um vídeo que eu fiz, um porta-utensílio com lata de leite. Dá lá uma olhadinha que o vídeo tá muito bom. Obrigado por assistirem até o final, Deus abençoe vocês e até o próximo vídeo. Tchau!
Lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter.